Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can reset your TradingView chart to default settings. This is useful when your chart is cluttered with indicators or drawings and you want a clean slate. Make sure that you're using the latest version or plan for all the features. So, the first thing that you will have to do is open a chart of your choice and just click full chart. And once you're here, what you will have to do is go to your gear icon, which is right here, and then you will just have to basically look for the reset chart option. So it should be right here somewhere if you do have that option. However, if you cannot see it, you could also go to your template area. So right click and then you will just have to select chart template, and here you should have the option that says reset chart or reset chart to default, and then once you see it you will just have to click it, and then trading view will prompt, and then you will just have to confirm to reset the chart. And yeah, that's basically just it, and I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.